Hi friends, welcome to JSJ Jesse Education. Today we are going to see about Swami Vivekananda essay. Introduction. Swami Vivekananda was born in the Shimla, Pali in Calcutta on 12th of January in 1863 and died on 4th of July in 1902. He was the chief follower of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. His birth name was Narendranath Datta, who later became the founder of Ramakrishna Mission. He was the person of Indian origin who became successful in introducing the Hindu philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga in the Europe and America. Hinduism revived in the modern India. His inspiring speech is still followed among the youths of the country. He had also introduced the Hinduism of Parliament of the World's Religions at Chicago in 1893. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta, an attorney of Calcutta High Court, and mother name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Swami Vivekananda was influenced by the rational mind of his father and religious temperament of his mother. He learned self-control from his mother and later became an expert in meditation. His self-control was really amazing, using which he could easily enter to the state of Samadhi. He developed a remarkable leadership quality in his young age. He came in contact with the Sri Ramakrishna after visiting to the Brahmo Samaj when he was youth. He stayed with his monk brothers at the Boranagar monastery. In his later life, he decided for touring India and started wandering from place to place and reached Trivandrum Trivandrum, where he decided to attend the Parliament of Religions at Chicago. Conclusion: he became very popular all around the world after delivering effective speeches and lectures at many places. He returned to India and founded Ramakrishna Maths and Mission in 1897, Advaita Ashrama in Mayavadi near Almora in 1899. The ashrama was a branch of the Ramakrishna Math. The famous Arati song Kandana Bhava Bandhana is composed by him. Once he meditated for 3 hours at Bilur Math. It is considered that once he went to meditate in his room, he asked not to be disturbed and died while meditating. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye. See you. Take care.